Happy Tuesday, traders. It is Matt and Jacey with Empire Algorithmic Trading's VWAP Vision Stock Talk.
So we use the volume weighted average price to give us all the indication we need, whether it's good or bad. So let's get to it, Matt. It's time for a little stock talk.
Let's talk some stocks, buddy. All right, Jace. Happy Tuesday. I hope things are beautiful down there in Florida as they are here in the Midwest.
It was a nice muggy. We had a beautiful thunderstorm that came rolling through, and it shook the building a couple of times. That's always fun. But yeah, classic summer in Florida, classic summer Florida day. Little thunderstorm. Kind of an
Well,
interesting split day on the market too. I mean, the major averages did quite well. The S&P 500 up a 0.5%. Nice strong looking chart there. New high after the recent attempt at a red zone that we kind of figured would not last, and it hasn't. So nice follow through on the green zone there. Same thing with the Nasdaq Composite. I'm going to get rid of these little anchors there. We're just going to keep resetting as long as these averages keep moving. We'll just keep
yeah,
resetting that anchor every day. Same thing with the small caps. Small caps, 3 up days in a row, living comfortably above its VWAP there. Let me get rid of
that's
that one too.
great.
Oh, I got all sorts of anchors on here for some reason. What's going on? But yeah, it was up 0.5%, and then same thing with the mid caps,
All
up three
right.
tenths of 1%, and then bonds rallied up a little bit, and so
Ah,
that's a good sign. And then the VIX,
two
as
days
you
in
would
a row.
expect, stocks go up, VIX comes down, but overall, just a ho hum normal small gain on the major averages.
Well, that's fantastic. It's always nice to see that. And now, coming up next, we actually have our big movers that are given to us every single day by our algorithm. And you can get access to our daily buy and sell signals at patreon.com/ empire algorithmic trading, where you get access to those signals, access to some educational content. So make sure to check that out. Otherwise, Jace, who are our big movers today?
Well, it's an interesting day because I was scouring. I saw the charts of the major indexes and I was thinking, oh, this should be some really some good moves today. But I really didn't find anything too exciting on the upside, which is kind of interesting. But we did see a lot of downside action today.
Huh.
Innodata was down 11%, a really strong reversal. It was a strong breakout. It
Yeah.
rallied up almost 13% in about 2 days, 13, 14%. It has since given all that back. I do have a
Wow.
position. Honestly, I didn't see this at all today. I'm a little disappointed in myself. I should have had an alert set to let me know what was going on. So I'm probably going to be taking some position or exiting my position on this tomorrow. That's just a clear breakdown there. So pretty
Yeah.
unfortunate for any data. It was that was looking pretty strong right there, and even there it was looking okay. But today it was just brutal.
Yeah.
Rubrik, it did complete the sell
Oh,
pattern. We talked about this on Arrow Review last night. So this is actually getting the algorithm sell signal here. And so I did exit my position on this today, and I'm not sure why I thought I put notes on here, but I guess I didn't. But anyhow, I did exit my position out of there today. Qubits, D-Wave Quantum, it was down almost 6%. Oh yeah, I forgot. Rubrik was down 6% today. Broke its 20-day, broke its 10-day moving average. Clear sell signal there. The algorithm hit the sell signal, down 6%. So that pretty much ends that beautiful run. Cubics, D-Wave, reversed down 6% today. Pretty negative look. It tried breaking out a couple days ago. I took a position on it. I sold out yesterday when it opened up strong and then reversed in the first 5 minutes. So I was like, yeah, that's all I need to see. And it reversed down 6% today. And then C Limited flashed a sell signal as well.
huh.
It tried to break out, did a little three and go, touched down three, touched the moving average, continued to trade back off of that, flashed another buy signal, quickly reversed, and has since given up that. So, of course, I moved out of the entire position. I first bought into it at 132.92, took some profits at 140, bought back some more at 169, and exited the whole position out at 159. I think I got like a 13% gain out of the whole position. So
Not
not too
bad.
bad. Not too bad at all. But lastly, American
Hey.
Superconductor, a nice strong gain up 4%. But this was kind of an outlier. Like I said, almost everything was relatively flat on the day, which I was kind of excited for, a little bit better charts, but that's just how it is today. A little bit of selling going on in some recent leaders. We did have some strong breakouts, which we are going to talk about in Arrow Review. So that's nice. And like we talked about yesterday, we're going to start seeing some of the leaders that have been leading us higher. They're going to start correcting and start going through some consolidations. What we want to see is that money moving into new leaders, and that's kind of what we're starting to see some of the start of. So. Innodata aside, hopefully that does find some support and continue to move higher. But for the most part, there were some pretty nice breakouts today.
Oh, that's wonderful. And that is your daily stock talk wrap up. Jace, thank you very much for that. And for everybody here listening on Spotify or watching us here on YouTube, please hit that like and subscribe so you can get your access to the daily stock talk. Follow us on Patreon, patreon.com/Empire Algorithmic Trading for your access to our algorithmic buy and sell signals, access to some educational videos, and also just a really cool trader community. If you want to follow us on socials, Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky X, we're on all of them. And for more information about who we are and what we do, check out our website at VWAPvision.com. That's VWAPvision.com. And in the meantime, Jace, I'm going to see you for Arrow Review. I'm really excited to see these potential breakouts and happy trading.
Happy trading, my man. We'll talk to you in a little bit.